Have you ever noticed how birthdays mean completely different things to different people? Some go big, parties, balloons, stories on every platform. Others? They barely mention it. No cake, no dinner, no plans, just another sunrise and sunset. But why is that? Why do some people treat their birthday like any other ordinary day? Is it because they've grown wiser? Or could it be something deeper, something emotional or psychological? Stay with me till the end, because you might see your own story in what comes next. For some people, the reason is simple, but painful. They stopped celebrating because deep down, they never felt celebrated. Maybe when they were younger, no one remembered their special day. Friends forgot, family was busy, and when they did plan something, almost no one came. After a while, disappointment becomes a habit. Psychologists sometimes call this learned helplessness. When the brain gets used to being let down and stops expecting joy altogether. So over time, the birthday becomes just another day, not because they don't care, but because caring hurts too much. Then there's another type of person, the busy ones. Life moves fast. Work deadlines, classes, family responsibilities all crowd the calendar. By the time they notice it's their birthday, the day is already half over. It's not forgetfulness, it's mental overload. When your mind is constantly full, even special days lose their glow. And then there's a third kind of person, the calm, self-assured ones. They know it's their birthday, but they don't feel the need to make a big deal out of it. Not because they're sad or lonely, but because they're content. Psychologists might describe this as emotional independence, when your sense of worth doesn't depend on other people's attention or approval. You don't need likes, gifts, or parties to remind you that your life has value. You already know it. This connects with something called self-determination theory, the idea that true happiness comes from inner strength, personal growth, and self-acceptance. For these people, maturity means realizing, I don't need candles or applause to prove my worth. I celebrate myself every day. And that mindset goes beyond birthdays. People who treat their birthday as a normal day often do the same with life. They don't chase attention. They don't need the spotlight. They find peace in quiet moments. Does that mean they never feel lonely? Of course not. They're still human. But they've learned to see every day as a gift, not just the one that marks their birth. So whether you love big celebrations or prefer quiet reflection, it says something about you. For some, it's about old pain. For others, it's about priorities. And for many, it's about peace and emotional maturity. So tell me, which one sounds like you? Do you still need the celebration, or have you already found it within yourself? If this made you think differently about birthdays, you'll enjoy the kind of deep human psychology we explore here. Subscribe for more stories and insights about the mind and emotions. And if you'd like to go deeper, join our community in the description below. See you there.